and welcome back to my channel. It's the Mads of San Diego, and this is how I celebrated my birthday. Come join us. We'll just buy. What are we gonna buy?
Chicken katsu and bulgogi fries
And
balloons and other
that's
food.
it. Join us. Okay, update. We are back in the car and we just got chicken wings, potato wedges, and cake. That's about it.
Oh, tell them about your shoe. Her shoe broke,
My shoe broke.
so we had to buy new shoes. But then we forgot to pay for the new shoes.
That's so crazy, but yeah. Hi, I have presents. I have flowers. No, it's a plant. It's different. It's kind of different plant that I'm so surprised about this because I didn't expect. And this is from my good friend. She said, for a good friend, and it's from Claire. She's so sweet. She didn't even greet me happy birthday on messages or text or whatever, but there's a plant at the doorsteps. So I'm so surprised. Yee. And this one is from my best friend Angie. She's going over to drop my present. I know this is should I open it so you can see from there, or I'll just record it? Ah, baliktad. Oh my gosh! Ah. Oh my gosh, it's me! And this is where she took my picture in at La Jolla. Oh. I wanna cry.
Then cry.
Oh my gosh. It's me. Oh, it's me. Look at that. It's really me. It is really me.
So where are we gonna hang it in my room? Cause I just put it on the mirror.
It's my blood, right? It's me. Thank you, Angie. She's so sweet. and this one, oh, it said fragile. Huh?
Priority.
This one I really didn't know where it came from because I really don't know. Doesn't have a return address or where it came from. But it's from to the Mads of San Diego, so it means for me. And it said, "This deserve a vlog. Unbox now." How will I open it? Wait, I don't. I want to show it, but you will see my address. No, I'm not gonna show it. Ouch. It's lady fingers. Where did this came from? I don't know where it came from. It just said, "Happy birthday, the Mads, and when the moment comes when you do not know who to lean on, tag me and I'll be there. Happy birthday." Where did this came from? It's lady fingers. Where did this came from? I don't know where it came from. It just said, "Happy birthday, the Mads, and when the moment comes when you do not know who to lean on, tag me and I'll be there. Happy birthday." Where did this came from? There's no return address or something. But thank you! Whoever sent me this, thank you so much. Product of Italy, yeah. It's from Italy. Yay! Thank you! Thank you to whoever generous from Italy who sent me this packs. And for the cute message, and thank you. I'm so clean. Yay! Okay, that's it. Bye. Bye. Yes, it's a lady finger. Yay. There's something inside. There's something inside. Ay! It's a gelato. It's not gelato. I knew it. It's not gelato. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Whoever you are, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm ugly now. Thank you. Hi guys, I am back. So today is just an overwhelming day for me. Since morning, it started off with premieres of Team Tamsakmatic, which they titled under my name, or the title is as Happy Birthday the Mans of San Diego. And then premiere after premiere after premiere the whole day, and I've been crying and sobbing the whole day because I'm so overwhelmed with all of you who greeted me today. And thank you all so much to the 95 viewers who came to my birthday premiere. I hope you really like it because we work hard for it. I didn't sleep most of the time last night because there's some technical difficulties, but we did it anyway. So thank you all so much. To Team Tunay, from the beginning of this week where Jen Moments did her message and it was so touching, and then Janine, and then Mar Anselmo, Ver Villanueva was a surprise. I know Debbie Bustamante did something. Janet, Simply Janet, we're gonna post her on her channel, and there's so many creators that posted something in their channels about me and about my birthday. To Ate Gang Cooking and the rest of the Team Tamsak and to Wadmatics who did a premiere and a birthday greetings for me. I cannot thank you all one by one, but from the bottom of my heart, I love you all, my anak-anakans. And to Jed and Eleanor with Isabella, you guys are the cutest. Billy and Edward and Rona and Joy, I cannot thank you all. I'm so overwhelmed. They told me that they want me to laugh about that video, but I was sobbing, I was crying when I first saw it. And to the 45 creators who submitted their birthday entries on my contest, thank you all so much. That was so touching. And to all of you who greeted me privately, to the ones who send me messages through Messenger, and to all the support, to everything, to the overwhelming words of encouragement, and I'm just so overwhelmed. That's why I'm fighting my tears right now, but thank you so much. Thank you. I know I'm not able to thank all of you one by one right now, but I wish I can. I really wish I can. Thank you all. To my best friend Angie, you know that I love you is not enough for the friendship that we had, and I can pour everything to you. And thank you for that beautiful gift that you gave me. And it was a real picture. She took a picture of me in Torrey Pines and then she painted. That was so sweet and that was so generous of you. To my family, to my nanay, of course, to my sister, my niece and nephew, my anak-anakans, my friends, to Archie, to my college friends of my college friends, to my management college friends. Thank you. And who else? Thank you guys. To my kids, of course, to my family. Thank you for all the love. And to all of you who lift me up, to all of you who lift me up during the time that I was so down. Thank you. And to you that I can tag along the way, thank you. To Team Tunay, to Ohana, to Team Tamsakmatic, my K-ladies, and of course to Team Italy, who have been there all throughout this journey. Thank you so much, and thank you. Happy birthday to me.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you, Kiki. Yeah. Happy birthday to you, Kiki. Yeah. Happy birthday, dear mommy, Kiki. Yeah. Happy birthday to you, Kiki. Yeah.
Wish.
And many more.
Game?
Is Ate gonna shut up?
Okay.
Yay! Wait. Hold on.
Not too much.
Okay.
Highlight.
Wait.
Not too much kasi.
Simba.